Hello traders, Steve Gans here, and I told everyone that I would be updating them on the Flyagonal performance. As I think most people here know, this is a trade that I worked on for many months. I took it live back about 3 months ago now. I've been trading it pretty heavily, both personally and in my alert service. I'll put a link to the alert service on the screen here if that's of interest to you, along with a QR code that you can scan. But this trade, as of a big interview I did with John at Theta Profits here a couple of weeks ago, I'm looking at the stats at the time I did that. I had done 60 trades, had 58 winners. That was 97%. Now I've done a total of 84 trades and I've had 79 winners. So that percent has dropped a little bit. I was expecting that it probably would. We went through a weird dip in the market a couple Fridays ago where the market dropped almost 200 points in 2 days. And I adjusted the Flyagonals to handle that lower level of the market. Then the market ripped right back up against me. I was certainly whipsawed in a few trades. And the unfortunate part, as those of us that are traders know, it happens exactly at the time that you size up. So I had literally just put on a number of new trades in larger size. Not only were they larger size, but 2 of them were almost duplicates of each other. I entered them a day apart. They had the same expiration and virtually the same strikes. So there was no diversity in that trade, if you will. And that resulted in my equity curve. This is reversed here. Let me come in and make this go the right way. Right now it's in descending order. It needs to be in ascending order as far as time. So Flyagonal did extremely well all through this. Then as soon as I sized up, we get this move here, and now we're back off to the races again. So these are all of the closed Flyagonal trades at this stage. I also have 2 open Flyagonal trades, and these are the P&L diagrams of 2 open Flyagonals that I have right now. This one I literally just put on a couple of hours ago, and it's already up 3%. This one, I've been in the trade 3 days. I could certainly take that off now. It's showing some nice profit, but I really like where it's positioned here, just right in the center of the tent. So I am going to leave that on a little bit further. That's a little bit outside my normal model, but I am trying to stretch the model a little bit when I can and see if I can get into that 20%, 25% before gamma starts to get too high. Now, if you're interested again in these particular trades, I am making them live now in the alert service. Not every one of these is shared in the alert service because I'm trying a lot of different experimental things, but I am sharing at least a couple of them in there every week so that people can see what I'm doing and learn from it. At the same time, I'm working on my deep dive Flyagonal class. Now, this is going to be probably an 8 to 10 hour class that's going to go into all the details of how this was developed, why I feel it works as well as it works, what are the pros and cons to it, how do you adjust it in up market, down market, when do you adjust it, what are opportune times to put one on, take one off, etc. So if you're interested in finding out about that course when it launches, probably in about that 8-week window, go ahead. I'm putting a link on the screen right now for that as well. And the QR code, you can scan that, get signed up to be part of that list. There will probably be a little extra spiff, if you will, for the people that are signed up on that list as far as an incentive for the class when it gets launched. So that's it for right now. I just told everyone that I would give them an update, wanted to make sure that I shared all of those details. And in the alert service, I believe we closed out 3 profitable Flyagonals this week, if my memory serves me correctly. And I'm just going to launch a new one here a little bit later today here on Friday. So take care, everyone.